The next thing to do, here there will be logo. It will be logo here. Yes, now. So you know how to create the logo before. You just create it and put it here. I've taught you logo now. Even when I taught again, I taught you another logo. Alright. So now I want to put picture here. So what we do? Sorry, this signature, we may not put like this line anymore. You can just do like this. Signature. Then just bold and italicize it. Then this one, so let's put picture. Go to a file, then we say import. This one now, under import, then let's go to picture. Then let's locate the picture. You can now start scrolling. Scrolling. Let's see, just want to see any good picture. This one is too short. Okay, let's just use something like this measure. So click, then click and drag. Then right click and bring it inside. Okay. You see, but it's not perfect, right? Hold down your control key and click on it to edit the clip, the power clip. So I can just adjust it. Well, just edit it and I have it this way. Then now you are done like this now. So, but if you now want to put names here, you can use your text tool to start putting name. For example, this one now, Joy Pop. You already know what I name. So now let's now choose font name for it. So font name, I think this one is still okay. Then I'll bring it down here. Control 2 to reduce the size. We have to increase it by then white. Just now. So then I duplicate it. Then this one, I say this one department and office automation. Control 2. Then I'll bring it down here. So okay, so department should be the course should be office automation. The course should be office automation. So the department should be desktop publishing. Sorry, computer science. Science. So then this one will be office automation. So now I want to write Control V. Date issued. What's the date? 3rd. Okay. 3rd August 2026. So expiry date will be 31st. December 2027. Okay. So now signature. You can use this free form to design signature. Yes. So depending on how you want your signature to be, you construct it. You move your hand according to how you normally draw your signature. I want you to straight a bit. Let's click. So now the next thing is to design the back view. Well, we're not going to design the back view now because I need to take the other class. So F4, then F9. So this is classic.
There's supposed to be line here for the signature.
No, this is it now. This is the signature now.
You don't get
Uh,
this line.
no. I say, I removed the line. There was line. I removed the line. So here now, logo will be here. Logo will be here. Once logo is here now, you are complete. So let me go and copy the logo. Let me go and copy the logo. Yes, let me go and copy the logo. I think let me copy from what we designed so far. Say we designed something last time. It's not opening. It's on the other side. See us now. It's the other version. So it's not open. So now, or should we go there and open it? Let's go there and open it. So document. So let's try it. Or designing letter paper. Is it on this thing? Or is it on desktop? No, it's not on desktop. Okay, let me just use any other logo, right? Okay, since it's ZEALTECH, let me just use ZEALTECH. Let me just right click, open with 2021. What's happening? Eh? This is 2021. This one. Let's click, open with 2021.
This one is not 2021.
Now this is 17. 17 cannot open in 2021. That's about 17 can open in 2021. 2021 cannot open in 17. Yes, I know. So let me use 17 again. Is the this thing that has the issue? Is that that copy that has issue? So is the one that has issue? It has closed it. It has closed it.
Let's go.
But
Voice recording.